Very good morning. Welcome to the online class. Today topic is career of guidance for diploma mining engineering. Well, my name is Karunakumar Bugge, HOD mining engineering. Well, the diploma mining engineering is a specialized branch for those who are most choosing persons in mining diploma. This career those who are choosing, what are the challenges and what are the career growth in a diploma mining engineering, and what are the diversification from this profession to other, these we are discussing today. Well, a 10th passed 10 plus 3 this course, that is a 3 years course. Mathematics and physics, chemistry, those who have the sound knowledge, they are mostly choosing the through entrance test, that is a PolyCET, the popularly known as Common Entrance Test examination. The AP as well as Telangana states they are conducting through the entrance. They can get the good rankers can get the prestigious or good institutions in government as well as private institutions is offering this course. While the students once entering the diploma mining, the actual other branch mining is a different. Some of them, depending upon the parents, those who are working in coal belt area, they may be choosing. Some of them interesting that they are getting job easily because of the seniors of the students in awareness, getting job in coal mines areas. So some of the students joining like this, and some of them is a passion, that is going to underneath the earth and what are the things are going on. That's concept some of them join. Some of them students are joined in without any knowledge also. This type of the students, the different category of students are there in diploma student. But once you join, first you have to adopt the basic subjects in the mining. In 3 years course, as per the recent syllabus is concerned, 6 months is the industrial training, you are industrial exposed on your course, so that we are getting the more knowledge on our practical things in what is going on in your profession. So basically the first year we are studying the mining related general mathematics, physics, chemistry, common subjects are there, and along with the elements of mining and also geology, your understandable levels were completed in the first year itself. And also in the second year you can come to the basic core subjects, that is underground mining methods, open cast mining methods, and its machinery and related environmental in underground environment and open cast environment, and also the rock mechanics. So basics a diploma mining engineer, these are fundamental things. And also in addition, the survey, the fundamental surveying, the basic mapping, because of which most of the engineers know that the drawings and these things. So such mine surveying is also very included in this subject. And also not only that one, there is our mining profession is the industry established in the Mines Act 1952. So based on that one, you have to follow the rules and regulations, the legislative legal procedures will be also your mine management and entrepreneurship is another subject also there. So the overall, this is a diploma student can know these subjects in understand level. Then coming to during the course, these subjects you have to thoroughly know. Then only you are the ability person to go to the mines. So generally, nowadays there is no campus interviews. So because of the job security and more diploma holders in the society, but they are conducting the entrance test. But before you are choosing the profession, first in final year, the students, choosing whether you go to metal mine or coal mines. Because we have the fundamental things, that is a coal mine regulation CMR 217 and MMR 2019. It's recently 1961 is there, this recent amendment 2019. According to CMR, MMR, the complete our profession is dependent. Not only that one, every diploma holder should before aware that these things also, that is a valid first aid certificate and gas testing certificate. But most of the students are not aware that other branch, that is other than mining branch, they not required this type of thing. But we have the control of the DGMS, Director General of Mine Safety. They are conducting the board examinations. The different certificates are there. There is the manager first class, manager second class certificate, Sardhar, overman certificate, surveyor certificate, winding engineer certificate. There are a number of certificates they are issuing depending upon the appearing of the person. Any person, those who are working in the underground, they attain the age of 20, they are eligible for the writing the board examinations of which are conducted by the DGMS. A diploma holder is directly not getting the overman or foreman, but they require the before you are entering the mine, these two you have to fulfill. So that's why the first aid certificate and gas testing, after you are attend the diploma, you first concentrate these two certificates getting. How do they get it? So this is first thing. The valid first aid certificate is issued by a medical officer who is a MBBS holder, and a medical practice. It should be a council of the medical certificate number is also there, should be mentioned on the certificate. It is giving any dispensary of the hospitals also under the suspended period for 15 days or something, and all they conduct in the examination, and they issue the first aid certificate by the Saint Ambulance Association of India. This is valid for the 1 year. Based on there will renewal is there. Next stage they get the permanent also. And next another is the gas testing. This is called very important. This is conducted by the Director General of Mine Safety. There in some regions, when Gudur area, Nellore and something here is also there, and also Godavari Kani and also Kottagudam. Depending upon the VTC where you are trained, they are conducting this examination. The first they are giving the flame, and then they are conducting the flame safety lamp assembly, disassembling, and gas properties under the oral. You are passed, then we get the gas testing certificate. These two are the essential for all the diploma holders before you are entering any metal mining or coal mining. Then coming to then afterwards there is a junior mining engineering. Jobs are notified by the different. Coal India is subsidies there, Western Coalfield, Southern Coalfield is there, and Naval Lignite Corporation, and also Singer and Qualities Company. Their notification is given. According to that, you are eligible for the junior mining engineering. But actually, junior mining engineer, as per the norms, as per somebody is attaining 17 years, they are completing the diploma. Some are 18, but any board diploma is eligible 20 years. So that they are giving in a conditional base, they are giving 3 years after only they are giving the foreman. So that is the internal of the regulations of the company. And also some of them unable to choose the coal mines. They want to go to interest with the metal mines. You can go to the granite or cement based limestones, and also the Uranium Corporation of Limited, that is Tummalapalli in Kadapa district. And we can choose the other states, mineral industry also. You are eligible for the writing the competitive exams through. And not only before some of them students asking, most of them area, they are not getting ready to jobs in industry. Because if your diploma is complete to 20 as example, there is no notification. What do you do? There is a paid and unpaid trainings are available in the most of the HRs, human resource development departments in the recruitment cells. The notification is without notification also. They are taking the unpaid or paid. There is Apprenticeship Act they are implementing. They can get paid the amount. Some of them is not paid. They are unpaid. So that training also you can undergo the Singer and Qualities as well as in the metal mines also. So this is the important things. Before you start your career, diploma mining engineer, this is the very important. And once you join persons also, as early as possible, you are clear go to the manager certificates. After 5 years, we may be eligible for the second class or first class manager. By the retaining some subjects, DGMS, they get the second class manager certificate and first class manager. That is a growth level of the diploma mining engineers. Some of them are not interested into the field. They want to go to the higher studies. So there is a other path is there that is called as a ESET. It will be conducted by Telangana government as well as Andhra Pradesh government. The ECET is an entrance examination for the diploma mining students. They are appearing almost in June, May. Generally, it is a notification in May. According to the state entrance test, they are eligible for they can choose the BTech or in a different institutions, the private and government institutions. And some of them also they come the intermediate equations also some MSET. They are also coming to this page. So we are some of 3 years knowledge in the mining field. There are the fresh intermediate graduates also coming to here. We are both will be meet, and they are called as the second year they are taking the admission. So they are 3 years here complete the BTech holder, and also some of them even diploma mining engineers can also write the TSMSET and APMSET. You can also write the TSMSET and MSET. They are eligible for the IT. So you can choose the BTech IT. BTech IT information. Those who are deviating the profession from the mining profession to the information technology, they can be chosen while writing the APMSET, TSMSET, or even ECET also. You can be choosing the IT. You are eligible for the information technology. So what is by diversing the IT means some of them not interested in working in the mining field, so they can be choosing. Recent data also giving some of the students in foreman cadre also, they all have the BTech IT certificate. The internal examinations that they are conducting for the IT sector, that means within the company, they are shifting to that area. They have the mining foreman knowledge and attainable knowledge is there. So as well as they are entering to the industrial engineering IT fields. So within the company also, some of the students are like they are changing their profession to the IT field. So this is actually a diploma mining engineering. Students have their opportunities to growth, and also how they training in the different fields. So I hope today discussion you enjoying. I hope you are understanding how your career can be fulfilling in the coming. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.